Legal disclaimer. Before we begin, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Every situation is different. Please speak with a qualified professional before making investment decisions. TFSA versus RRSP for beginners. If you're new to investing in Canada, you've probably asked yourself, should I use a TFSA or an RRSP? Let's make this simple. By the end of this video, you'll clearly understand the difference and which one might make more sense for you. One of the problem. When beginners start investing, they often hear, max out your TFSA. No, RRSP gives you a tax refund. Use both. It depends. And that's where confusion starts. Both accounts help you grow your investments. Both can hold the same stocks or ETFs. Both are powerful tools for passive income. But they work very differently when it comes to taxes. And taxes are what make the real difference. So let's break it down clearly. To break it down simply, TFSA, tax-free savings account. The TFSA stands for tax-free savings account. Here's what makes it powerful. You contribute with after-tax money. Your investments grow tax-free. You withdraw money tax-free. That's it. No tax on dividends. No tax on capital gains. No tax when you take money out. If you invest in dividend ETFs or long-term growth stocks, everything stays sheltered. It's extremely flexible. You can withdraw anytime. You get the contribution room back the following year. Simple. RRSP. Registered Retirement Savings Plan. The RRSP stands for Registered Retirement Savings Plan. This one works differently. You contribute with pre-tax money. You get a tax deduction today. You pay taxes later when you withdraw. So instead of tax-free withdrawals, you get a tax break now. Think of it as delaying taxes until retirement. The idea is simple. If you're in a higher tax bracket today and expect to be in a lower bracket in retirement, the RRSP can save you money long-term. But withdrawals are taxable, and early withdrawals can trigger penalties. Less flexible than a TFSA. Here are some practical examples of TFSA versus RRSP. Let's make this very practical. Example 1. Young investor. Lower income. Imagine you earn $50,000 per year. You contribute $5,000. With a TFSA, no immediate tax refund. Growth and withdrawals are tax-free. With an RRSP, you get a tax refund. But you'll pay taxes when you withdraw in retirement. If your income is expected to grow significantly later, using TFSA first often makes sense. You protect future growth permanently. Example 2. High income earner. Now imagine you earn $120,000 per year. You contribute $10,000 to an RRSP. You may receive a significant tax refund. That refund can be reinvested. If you retire earning much less, you withdraw at a lower tax rate. That's where RRSP shines. Example 3. Passive income strategy. Let's say you build a dividend ETF portfolio. Inside a TFSA, dividends compound to tax-free. You can withdraw anytime. Inside an RRSP, dividends compound to tax-deferred, but withdrawals are taxable. For long-term passive income flexibility, TFSA gives you more freedom. For tax reduction during peak earning years, RRSP can be powerful. The key mistakes to avoid. Let's keep this simple. Mistake number 1, thinking TFSA is only for savings. It's not just for cash. You can invest in ETFs, stocks, dividend portfolios, index funds. Using it only as a savings account wastes its potential. Mistake number 2, spending your RRSP tax refund. If you contribute to RRSP and get a refund, reinvest it. Otherwise, you lose part of the long-term advantage. Mistake number 3. Withdrawing RRSP, early RRSP, is built for retirement. Early withdrawals are taxable. Permanently reduce contribution room that can hurt long-term compounding. Mistake number 4, ignoring contribution limits. Both accounts have limits. Over-contributing can result in penalties. Always verify your available room before adding money. Mistake number 5, choosing based on emotion. Tax refund feels good. Tax-free sounds better. Instead ask, what is my current income? Will my income increase? Do I need flexibility? Am I focused on retirement only? Make it strategic. To summarize, let's make this simple. Here's the calm, clear version. TFSA, after-tax money and tax-free growth. Tax-free withdrawals. Flexible, RRSP, pre-tax money and tax deduction today. Taxable withdrawals later, designed for retirement. For many beginners, lower income arrow. Start with TFSA, higher income arrow. Consider RRSP, long-term strategy arrow. Often use both. Both accounts are tools, neither is better universally. The goal isn't to chase refunds. The goal is to build long-term passive wealth. Slow, consistent, tax efficient. That's how real wealth is built. Let's keep it simple.